Hey, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Like I keep telling y'all before, I made this channel so that my free speech doesn't get violated. So that my free speech doesn't get turned off. So that my free speech doesn't get denied. Like a lot of channels, they disable their comments. Why even comment if you don't want to hear someone else's view if they're not trolling? Okay, you all for free speech, but you'll take away my free speech. But this is why I made this channel. But I want to show you something. I want to show you something. Okay, look at this stupid comment now. Like I've been saying all along. So aren't they two feathers of the aren't they two feathers of the same bird? Aren't they two feathers of the same bird? Lord have mercy, these people.